B. 2/3 of the pizza has been eaten. Rule 14. When the phrase more than one is used as the subject of the sentence, a singular verb is used. Examples: more than one student is here. B. More than one teacher is required. Rule 15. A compound subject that represents one single thing takes a singular verb. Examples: A. Bread and butter is essential for humans. B. The founder and CEO of the company is here. So there you go, guys. This video answer about 15 important subject-verb agreement rules. Thanks for watching.